is Andrea Nguyen. I'm the co-head of production at Searchlight Pictures. On behalf of Searchlight, welcome to the world premiere of Super Troopers 3. It's been 25 years since the release of the first movies. And while a lot of things have changed, I can tell you that the Broken Lizard's insane, off-the-rocker humor has remained and has stood the test of time. It's been the highlight of my career as a studio executive that I got to give notes like, I did actually write this down. Can the elephant give a big wet fart? So that was actually on Searchlight letterhead. We are so excited to have you here. The troopers are back, bigger and better than ever. Here to intro the movie is our intrepid leader, Jay Chandrasekhar.
Who wants a mustache ride? You know, way back when we took Super Troopers to Sundance, I was working for a guy named John Sloss, who was my lawyer at the time. He was going to try to sell the film. And I said, you got to introduce me to all the different buyers. And so I met Miramax, and I met Sony, and I met all the different buyers. And I said, what about Searchlight? He goes, don't worry about Searchlight. It's like an art house. They'll never buy your film. And then on Friday, after we showed it at Sundance, he's like, Searchlight wants to buy your film. And I said, what? And he goes, yeah, well, here's the lesson. In showbiz, nobody knows anything. And so, now we've made 5 films at Searchlight, and we couldn't be happier to be there. They've been very kind and let us do all our, R-rated stuff. And so I just want to bring out the other guys from Broken Lizard, Eric Stolhansky. Oh, there you go. Good. Paul Soder. Steve Levy.
Hello.
And Kevin Effernan.
Always knows how to whip up a crowd.
And so I just want to thank a couple people. Our producer, Rich Perello.
Where is he?
You're supposed from the beginning.
Richie.
He brings movies in on budget. It means a lot to us. We really appreciate it.
That's why we like you. That's the only reason.
And Mary Vernew, who cast the film with Sidney Shercliffe, and Zach and Leo, who composed the movie.
Are they here? Are they here? Hey! Right on, guys.
Our great editor, Spencer Hauk.
Yes. The Dutch fish.
And then our executive producer, Mike Bowes. So thanks, Mike. Thank you.
Where's Mike? Oh, there he is. There he is.
And now I want to bring out a couple of the actors. Sakina Jaffrey, who plays my mom. Marisa Coughlin.
Beloved Ursula.
Nat Academy Award winner Nat Faxon.
Academy Award winner, Nat Faxon. Thank you. It's in his contract for everybody.
Saturday Night Live's Andrew Dismukes. And my old pal from New Girl, who's playing my sister, Hannah Simone.
And Hannah is really taking it for the team in this movie.
So thanks Searchlight, thanks Dan Tram and Apolline and Jonathan Ruiz and Matt Greenfield and Shelby. Thank you, Shelby. We appreciate it.
All right.